Hello, folks. This is Jim with Science Talk, and I have news from the world of paleontology. This 240 million year old reptile is the mother of all lizards and snakes. This ancient lizard was the direct ancestor of approximately 10,000 species alive today that have inhabited the planet for more than 240 million years. Is this cool or what? Paleontologists initially described the tiny reptile, and this is the scientific name, Megaturella wachleri, in 2003. Recent scans have revealed features in the fossil that were hidden before, enabling scientists to better ascertain its place in evolutionary lineage. You know, if you want to conduct the cladograms and cladistic diagrams. And basically enabled the scientists to identify Megaturella as the oldest known ancestor in the squamate lineage. Now, squamates are the reptile group that includes lizards and snakes. Okay. Sometimes these scientific names be squamata. Okay. So squamates, whatever. But the squamatas, lizards and snakes. Megaturella predates fossils previously thought to belong to the earliest squamates by around 75 million years. And this bridged the gap between the oldest known squamates and the estimated origins of this reptile group based on molecular analysis and molecular data. So, the lead study author, a gentleman by the name of Tiago Simoes, who is a doctoral candidate in biological sciences at the University of Alberta in Edmonton, Canada, basically says that this fossil was found in the Alps in northern Italy. It is estimated to be about 240 million years old. Scientists thought it belonged to a lepidosaur, which is a type of primitive reptile, but certain lizard-like features hinted the fossils might provide even more valuable information and other clues about squamates. Simoes goes on to say deserve further attention, especially in the form of CT scans, to provide greater anatomical details and improved data set to understand its placement in the evolutionary tree of reptiles. So they researchers used a CT scan to build 3D computer models. That's really cool, making 3D computer models, and found a number of features linking Megaturella to squamates. 2 of those features were unique to the squamate group, a part of the brain case and a collarbone structure, basically the clavicle region. Together, these elements identify Megaturella as the first unequivocal squamate from the Triassic. And this report has appeared in the May 30th issue of Nature. Molecular and skeletal clues also indicated that geckos, rather than iguanians, which include iguanas, anoles, and chameleons. Okay, it's anoles, not what you might think I'd said, make up the earliest squamate group to arise. Their evidence provided a critical and really satisfying missing piece of an evolutionary puzzle by providing fossil evidence to support what molecular data suggests about squamate origins. This is a statement released by Chris Raxworthy, who is curator in charge of the Department of Herpetology at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. Scientists, Mr. Raxworthy goes on to say, scientists always love it when we see different types of data coming up with the same answer, basically reinforcing thinking, providing further evidence that a certain way of interpretation of looking at the data is most likely correct. However, a large gap in the fossil record does still persist between Megaturella, which lived 240 million years ago, and other fossil squamates that appeared no earlier than 168 million years ago. So we're basically talking about 72 million years. That is a bit of a big gap. So Samoas basically continues saying this leaves much to be unraveled about the diversity of these ancient snakes and lizards and maybe what they might have also looked like. What we are discovering is the tip of the iceberg. Much further work needs to be done to understand the early evolution of squamates, Mr. Samoas concludes. So this is exciting. It will be interesting to see what the features are and how they interpret its evolution. And we already have an idea where it is, but this will help further develop the phylogenetic tree, in other words, in constructing any clades and so on. So stay tuned. Maybe there'll be some more news this way. So thank you for your time. We'll talk soon. Hey folks, just a reminder to please subscribe and click the bell so you know when I drop a video. Please share my videos. Please tell others of my channel and of the work that I do. I also hope that you will consider becoming a patron at patreon.com/Science Talk with Jim Massa, where from time to time I upload videos there exclusively for my patron subscribers. Details in the description box below. Thanks.